to fix Instagram live option not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to fix if your Instagram live option is not showing. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the App Store in your device, and after that on the search bar just simply search for Instagram and just make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version, because due to the new policies of Instagram, in order to get the live option in your account, you need to have over 1000 followers. And once you have your Instagram updated to the latest version, you will be able to find the option right there in your account. And then just open your Instagram account again. Just right swipe on your home screen in your Instagram account. And over here at the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see a bunch of different options like story, reels. And over here, you also have the option which says live. You can also access the live option from the plus icon at the top left hand side corner of your screen in your home screen of your Instagram account. And from there also, you can also the live section or live stream in your Instagram account quite easily. So this is basically how you will be able to fix Instagram live option not showing. I hope you find this video to be helpful.